Remember when a 1 gigabyte hard drive seemed impossibly large? Today, we carry phones with hundreds of gigabytes in our pockets. The evolution of computer storage represents one of the most dramatic technological transformations in human history, a journey from megabytes to zettabytes that has fundamentally changed how we create, share, and preserve information. In 1956, IBM unveiled the first commercial hard drive, the IBM 350. This washing machine-sized device could store a mere 5 megabytes of data. That's barely enough for a single high-resolution photo today, yet it revolutionized computing by enabling direct access to stored information. By the 1970s, floppy disks made storage portable, though each disk held just 80 kilobytes. The 1980s saw a milestone with the introduction of the first gigabyte hard drive, approximately $40,000 in today's currency, and the size of a refrigerator. The 1990s brought CD-ROMs with 650 megabytes, unprecedented for consumer media. By 2000, USB flash drives transformed portable storage again. Then in 2007, the first terabyte consumer hard drive arrived, offering 1,000 gigabytes in a device smaller than a paperback book. Today, we have 20 terabyte drives on the market, while cloud storage providers manage exabytes of data, millions of terabytes, across vast server farms. This exponential growth follows a fascinating pattern. Storage capacity has roughly doubled every 18 months while costs have plummeted. A gigabyte of storage that cost $10,000 in 1990 costs less than a penny today. To comprehend these astronomical sizes, we need a precise vocabulary. Each unit represents 1,000 times the previous one. 1 kilobyte, 1,000 bytes, holds a paragraph of text. 1 megabyte, 1,000 kilobytes, stores a small novel. 1 gigabyte, 1,000 megabytes, contains about 300 songs. 1 terabyte, 1,000 gigabytes, can hold 500 hours of video. 1 petabyte, 1,000 terabytes, could store the DNA of the entire US population. 1 exabyte, 1,000 petabytes, would contain all words ever spoken by humans. Beyond these lie zettabytes and yottabytes, scales so vast they exceed our immediate comprehension. But here's what's truly fascinating about this evolution. Each leap in storage capacity fundamentally changed what computers could do and how we interact with them. The transition from megabytes to gigabytes enabled the multimedia revolution. The jump to terabytes made personal media libraries possible. Petabyte-scale storage gave birth to big data analytics and artificial intelligence. This pattern reveals something profound about technological progress. New quantitative capabilities don't just let us do more of the same, they enable entirely new qualitative experiences. The difference between gigabytes and petabytes isn't just about storing more files, it's about enabling fundamentally different applications of computing. Perhaps the most valuable insight from this history is recognizing that we consistently underestimate what becomes possible with each new storage milestone. When terabyte drives first appeared, few imagined storing entire media libraries at home. Today, as we enter the zettabyte era, we're likely underestimating the transformations ahead. The next frontier isn't just about larger numbers, but about reimagining what computing means when storage becomes effectively unlimited, when we can capture, preserve, and analyze virtually everything. That future is arriving faster than we think. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I am a one-person team working hard to make each video better than the last. Subscribe if you found value. It is the best way to show support. Drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. See you in the next video.